students who are following my channel, who are subscribed to my channel, please go to the playlist, and in the playlist there is a playlist for compiled MCQs, and there is an exhaustive list of MCQs for you people from all the subjects. इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि आप थक जाओगे करते करते. You'll get tired of doing them. Then after uploading the MCQs, I realized now that you have got time, you have got 2 months. So now it is time for little concept building also, little understanding of the subject, and that will help you attempt even those questions which are not past year questions, which are new questions you want to attempt. You should go back to the main videos or the rapid revision videos. My rapid revision videos consist of all the gist from that chapter on which the questions can be asked or are asked. I've taken all those topics, एक line उठाई है कि चलो इस पे I can make a question, and I've picked up that line. So do watch these revision videos because I am putting in a lot of effort to make these revision videos for you. Daily I do my job and I come home, I record the video and I post it in the morning. So that is like for next 1 month I'm not going anywhere. There are summer vacations going on. My family is going somewhere, but I'm not going because I cannot bring a break in my schedule. This is me. I'm like this. And so I want you also, please take benefit of those revision videos. They are absolutely superb. Technologically, okay, I can accept that they are not very good or advanced technologically, but that's because see, all the teachers, they've got a backup of a coaching institute, and they are usually attached to that, and so they have all that material, they have all the instruments, equipments, iPads and all. Right now what I have, I'm doing with that. In a few days I'll get a new iPad, so then I'll be able to do it on the iPad and screen recording, and then it will be better. But till then I'm doing it on a paper and recording the paper, what I'm writing on the paper, and then sharing that with you. Once I've shared the video, I would like you to watch the video, and after some time then I'll be uploading the PDF files, or I'll upload all the PDF files together so that it becomes like a book and you can go through it at one go. You can watch all the videos and then go through the PDF file also, and that will complete your pharmacology. Total pharmacology will be completed. So this is my promise. So this is something which I wanted to convey to you, and this is something which I really wanted to interact with you students. And some students had requested for a live class also. So live class करेंगे, लेकिन अभी एक बार को मैं I would like to finish the whole content of pharmacology by rapid revision videos, and then we can join for live sessions 30 minutes a day, so that in that you can discuss the problems or the questions which you are not able to solve, or any other particular thing that we can discuss. So till then, study well. You've got a lot of time in your hands now, so don't get bothered or disturbed by any other thing, and just keep the momentum up.